Hello guys, welcome back to Strategy FX channel. So guys, this is another strategy for match strategy, digit match strategy. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So this strategy will be short and quick, so make sure you follow the tips. So the first thing that we have to do is to observe the live percentage charts for digits 0 to 9. So the second thing that we have to do is to identify the most appearing digit at its percentage. Another thing we have to do is to ensure the most appearing digit must have a percentage of more than 12% and make sure it's rising, not going downwards. So if the digit is in the lower range, for the lower range we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the entry point, we have to wait for the cursor to touch opposite digits. For the higher range digits, we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, example, we have, let's say the most appearing digit is on digit 3. For the opposite digits, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are going to monitor 3 ticks in the opposite range, and also we are going to match digit with the most appearing or the second digit sharing the green bar, meaning it's gaining momentum. So we are going to wait for the cursor to run or to run to 3 opposite digits, like to touch maybe 7, 9, 6, and wait for the cursor to touch the least appearing digit. So when it touches the least appearing digit, we are going to match our prediction. So guys, that's it for today. See you in my next video.